Hello everybody, I am Sean, Reacts to the K's channel arranger and host of Classical Composer Breaks Down the K, and today I am reacting to Nature's comeback, I'm So Pretty. Now I've enjoyed some of Nature's previous work, like Allegro Cantabile, especially the hilarious modulation back into the verse of that, and really everything about Psalm You'll Be Mine. So I am excited for their newest comeback, and we're going to jump right into it. 3, 2, 1. Trumpet, okay. They went from the sort of trumpet to just this very bright synth. So it's like, it's similar, but it's going from a sort of imitation of an instrument to something that doesn't sound like it's imitating an instrument, but has a similar timbre. Okay! Just a brief modulation down, then right back up. Bass, almost solo. That's a nice light fixture, I think. Whatever that thing from the ceiling is. Chest with lipstick? That is unconventional, but sure. Nice use of just a lot of pink shades in the video. That bass is getting fairly prominent. Are they going somewhere with that? Is that a D20? Oh! Is there gonna be another ending? Okay. Yeah, that was fun. They did a good job of keeping the textures changing, I mean, talk about the brass and the synth, like having the piano coming in and out, and the moments where it would drop down to like bass, almost just a bass and drums, or just a voice. At one point, I think at the beginning of the second verse, it kept it so it always sounded fresh, or like that more electronic bass in the bridge. I was briefly wondering whether they were going to pull a reference to "You'll Be Mine" and have a big drop the last chorus, which they didn't, which was fine. Like it didn't need that, but I enjoyed just like they never became complacent with the timbres. It kept changing it around and like playing with, taking a long time to set up into the final chorus, and then the sort of split or sort of double ending on it. Yeah, it was a very playful song, I thought, and also playful video with the references to dice and board games and stuff. I didn't have subtitles on, so I don't know what they said, other than presumably, "I'm so pretty." Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.